So, so hello everyone. So finally we have reached to last few hours of the year 2023. After 2.5 hour, we'll be entering the new year 2024. It is going to be a great experience for all of us because entering into a new year, into a new way of life, into new opportunities, new uh, kind of journey, new people, new experiences, and everything in a in a different manner. So today's video is going to be a recap of the year. I'm going to tell what I have kind of experienced in this year 2023. We'll be starting the journey from January, then we'll be passing through each month, and I'll I'll explain you how each and every month was what for me. To be very honest, 2023 is 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 my life changing year, and I have come through new experiences, new people, new feelings, and of course, I have learned some new lessons that is going to be there for me for my whole life. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this year, and so we are going to do in the next coming year. So let's talk about January, the winters, and I was in class 11th. In January we have uh, given the farewell to class 12th students, and preparation for that we had started in the December 2022. January 2023 has been a good month, had been a good month. I had a company of someone special, very special, and everything was good. The exams were held in January. It was kind of uh, half yearly, or I would say, yes, they were half yearly examination. And by February, okay, we were kind of prepare. We were started preparing for our class 11th final examination. In March we had the examination. April, the very first day of April, I was very curious to go to the school because I wanted to meet someone, and I know that you all are understanding someone refers to which person. It was, I mean, it happens with everyone, so with me. I uh, had a friend, a very kind of close friend. I won't say that was the relationship. No, it wasn't. But uh, it was beyond friendship. And in March Okay, we were on April, the very first day of April. It was a good experience. I would say very good. In the April, the session started. We were got an exposure towards class 12th, and new teachers have come, new course were there, new books were there to read, and I was very exciting. It was for me. I was very curious to meet the person and start the kind of session with her. Uh, and by April, everything was good. Syllabus, I have started the study, but to be very honest, I would say that I was not focusing on studies that much. Why? Because yeah, it was a distraction. I mean, it was not a distraction, but ultimately it was to uh, leading me towards different path. I was wasting my time, or I would say I was giving my time to an aspect which didn't need time. So April, June, yes, April, May also was good. Uh, we had several competitions, and the session with extracurricular activities. I had given speeches and poems, and I mean I was very active in extracurricular activities, so I was in academics, but not that much good because I was not focusing. I was more involved in kind of this someone. Uh, so may also kind of you know uh, gone with the time. Then April, May, June came. June was a very crucial month for me. I mean, the holidays were declared, and from I know whole June I was at home, waiting for the last day of vacation because I didn't I just don't wanted I didn't want vacations because I was having good times in school. Yeah. So anyhow, I have focused on my studies. Okay, 5 6 chapter. I won't. I didn't study I mean that much, but although I have managed to study some material, some chapters I had completed, and I was not desperately waiting for the day when I went to school. June was also full of uncertainty because I didn't talk the person. I mean I'm sharing my personal things in front of camera. Is it okay? I don't know. Okay, so July came, and somehow we got detached. Uh, we were supposed to focus on our studies, and so we did because it was our 12th class, and we didn't want to ruin the this kind of significant class, and we both wanted to score well because we had we have we both have kind of uh, huge dreams, big dreams. That is obvious, but we are very serious about that. So we choose to just end up the things which were not necessary even. But it was a good time. The feelings of adolescence or the teenage feelings, affection, fleeting affairs. So it was like that, and I literally got too much attached with her, and I don't know why, but boys are usually deal this. They just got too much attached with someone, and it becomes hard to manage things when the person is gone. So that same happened with me. July, August, September, October, November, and December. Although I I was doing everything, uh, but I didn't manage to forget the person. How can I forget? How can I forget her? She was a, she was one of uh, important person, and at a time she was the only person whom I talked. So I didn't I still don't want to forget her, but yes, it's not about forgetting her. It's about choosing the right path, and we both have chosen the right path. That is our career. So anyhow, we have managed to control our feelings and to focus on studies. That is the priority, because we cannot afford putting the studies on the back burner and do these types of things. But I had learned very much from that person. Kind of peace, calmness, composed, deepness, and much more. This year 2023 was one of the crucial year of my life. It would be it would remain a crucial year for me. This year has given me so much experience that I didn't uh, you know had exposure of. This year has been a great year. I have got to know much more about the physical world. I've got to know about uh, aspects of life. I've got to know about myself. I've got to know my weaknesses. I have got to know my strength, and I am constantly working on that. And in the end, I would say that years will pass on. Years after years will pass on. The journey remains there. Journey is the destiny for me, because the ultimate destiny is death. We assume, you know, points, a situation in life's achievement is life, the destiny. But that is not the case. The ultimate destiny is death. Beside that, everything is a journey towards that destiny. So I'm on the journey and I'm living this life. I'm loving this life because I'm living the lifestyle that I always wanted to I'm loving my lifestyle. So with that, आज के लिए इतना ही. I know that I'm getting too much slow, and I need to speed up because it is the need of the hour to speak fluently. That is the reason why I have started this series, and I would congratulate you all that in this journey we have managed to complete. We have been there in this journey for a month, and I hope that we would be together by upcoming years and lifetime, I would say. And what to tell about myself? Uh, I'm kind of I'm waiting for you guys to share your development story. See, don't rush for any kind of achievement goal. You have set a goal. It's okay. Work for it with full dedication. But never forget one thing, that the moment that you are living is worth living. Don't waste it. Don't waste it, because you are having privilege. You are very privileged that you are living this moment. Life is a gift. Understand it and live it fully. So, once again, a very happy new year to you all, and I hope for the better moment for you. Grow and let this journey continue. So, we'll meet tomorrow. Goodbye.